Do you want to know how to make money listening to music? And are you tired of all the videos here on YouTube that just make fake claims? They claim you can make hundreds of dollars a day and make a really great full-time income just to find out they're lying to you just to get views? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have often been asked here on my channel about legit ways to make money listening to music. So in this video I have decided to put together a list of 5 real and realistic ways to earn by listening to music. And I'm not only going to show you 5 ways, I'm also going to explain exactly how much you can expect to earn like this, so you know if this is really the right opportunity for you or not. So before we get to the list of platforms that will allow you to earn by listening to music, then I just want to make it clear exactly how much you can expect to earn by doing this. Because here on YouTube, as I already mentioned earlier, there are a lot of videos that make it look like you can make really easy money and make hundreds of dollars a day. But those videos are not telling you the truth. In most cases, they're just saying whatever that will get them views, and I can promise you that you cannot make hundreds of dollars easily, because those people that are creating those videos would sit listening to music instead of creating videos if it was really true. It is true that you can really earn by listening to music, but you need to do it with the right expectation, and this is not a way to make a living online or anything close to that. It is a way to earn a little bit of extra side cash. It's definitely not the most effective free way to earn, but if you like listening to music, it can be a way to earn a little bit extra. And later I will also show you, if you want to find even more effective ways to earn, where you can find information about that. But for now you know what to expect from this earning opportunity, so let's now go over the list of 5 legit ways to do this. So number 5 on the list is Playlist Push, and this is a platform where you have to actually have a Spotify account or a TikTok account to be able to apply. So they have some strict demands compared to some of the other platforms on this list here, where you can earn no matter your background, anything like this. But if you get accepted on Playlist Push, then you can also potentially earn up to $12 per song review that you do. This is up to, and this is not guaranteed or anything like that. You need to be aware that this requires quite a bit of effort, so it's not super fast and easy money. But if you already have a TikTok account with quite a lot of followers, or playlist on Spotify with quite a lot of people listening to them, then this can be a way to discover new music and earn a bit of extra money at the same time by reviewing it. And you can join from more or less all countries, and once you have earned $20, you can take your earnings out in cash via TransferWise. So it also offers a quite nice payout method. Next we have AA Music, and this is an app, so this is a way to earn by using your phone. And here you can actually earn just by listening to music. There are no other requirements, and you will earn by listening to streaming services from, for example, Spotify or Google Music or Apple Music. And once you join, you can then listen to one of their playlists, and then you will earn as you move along or as you earn. And it's available in more or less all countries, but how much you can earn will depend on the country you live in. It will require quite a lot of patience, and it will take you quite a few days to reach the payout threshold, which is $2 if you want to get paid in Bitcoin and $5 if you want to get paid via PayPal. But if you like listening to new music or to upcoming artists, this can be an app that can be worth considering, because you will earn in a way passively. You just need to let the playlist run on your phone, but it's not a fast way to earn. You need to be aware of that. Next we have Hit Predictor, and this is a platform that you can join from more or less all countries, and it can be quite interesting because you will get to rate songs and give feedback about them in most cases before they have actually been released. So if you like discovering new music, this is a really great option to do that. However, the downside of Hit Predictor compared to the other platforms on this list here is that there are no guaranteed earnings. When you earn, you will earn points, and you can use those points to enter into a monthly raffle or a weekly raffle for an Amazon gift card, but you cannot as such take them out as cash or anything like that, and you have to be lucky to actually win the raffle. So it's not the most effective way to earn. In fact, there is no guarantee you will earn unless you're lucky. So unless you like gambling like that, then you should use some of the other platforms. But if you really like listening to new music, then Hit Predictor definitely can be an interesting way, and then you can get a chance to win some really nice prizes at the same time. Next we have Slice the Pie, and here you can get paid to give feedback about music. You can actually also get paid to sometimes give feedback about clothing items or something like that, and in a few cases also by taking surveys. It pays decently, but still not a way to make a huge amount of money, and there's no guarantee that there will always be music available here to listen to. And you also need to be aware that it's not available in all countries. They are not completely clear about exactly which countries it's available in, but it is available supposedly in most English-speaking countries. But the only way to really find out if you can join from your country is to just go to the website, and if they allow you to actually go to the website, then you can join and start earning by giving feedback about the music you listen to. Once you have earned $10, you can take your earnings out in cash via PayPal. So it is a fairly low payout threshold, but it can still take a little bit of patience to reach it, because as mentioned, there are not always songs available to listen to. And the last option here on the list, we have Current, and Current is an app. So if you like listening to music on your phone, then this can be an option. It also offers other ways you can earn, like taking paid surveys and a few other things, but you can just let it run listening to music and earn a little bit at the same time. As you can see here, they also claim that you can earn up to $600 per year. This is up to, so that does not mean that it's guaranteed. That of course depends how much you're using it, the country you live in, and all these things. But a great thing is that you can join it no matter the country you live in, and it has a very low payout threshold. You only need to earn $1 to be able to take your earnings out, and they offer different products, and also they offer to pay you in cash via PayPal. So the payout methods and the threshold are quite good here. So as you can see, there are some legit ways where you can actually earn by listening to music, but as I explained in the beginning, you need to do it with the right expectations. It's not a way to make a living or anything like that, but if you want to learn more about any of these platforms or see how to join them, then I have a full list with more information about each of the platforms, and also with more platforms, and I will also keep updating this list when I come across new platforms that pays you to listen to music. So you can go to my website and check out the full list there, and I will of course leave a link to that in the description below here, so make sure to check that out. And on my website you can also find information about a lot of other free ways to earn, and in many cases also methods that are more effective than listening to music. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of Get Paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.